Stop doing your brows the wrong way. In this video, I'm spelling the ultimate hack for perfectly shaped, natural looking brows in just a few simple steps. No more guesswork, no more uneven arches, just foolproof results every time. Grab your brows pencil and let's get started. For this, I'm using the Benefit Brow Pencil in the shade 4, brushing out all the hairs upwards. Brow frame your face, so getting them right is key to pulling the entire look together. We'll begin by marking 5 guide dots to map out the shape. First dot goes at the bottom front of your brow. The second dot is at the top front of the brow. The third dot marks the high point of your brow arch, and the fourth is directly beneath the arch. The fifth is placed where your brows end. Now let's connect the dots. Start at the bottom dot 1 and draw a line towards the arch till dot 3. Repeat this for the top of your brow by joining dot 2 to dot 3 and extended it to the tail till dot 5. Connect dot 1 to dot 4, extend it towards end of your brow dot 5. Now next, fill in only the sparse area of your brow using light hair like strokes. Avoid adding too much product to the front of the brow for a more natural look. To soften the lines and create a gradient effect at the front, gently brush the lower line upwards with a spoolie. This really helps blend the product and gives a lighter, more natural finish look. Lastly, applying Benefit Cosmetic Brow Gel to stick them together for the fluffy, bushy look. And there you have it, perfectly shaped brows that look natural yet more defined. Trust you love this tutorial. Feel free to DM me in case of any further queries. Stay tuned with me for more such tutorials. Ta-da!